Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11 in the town of Cicero, Onondaga County, New York. We begin at imaginary mile marker 96. Here US 11 is locally called Brewerton Road, named for an upcoming hamlet. Here we encounter a delay. We never did find out what was happening, but the upcoming traffic signal is dark, with police giving directions. The traffic on US 11 seemed to be diverted from I-81, which runs close by alongside US 11 to the east. You can see bumper-to-bumper traffic lined up here in the opposing lanes, and although we'll get moving shortly, we'll eventually get into our own bumper-to-bumper traffic. We enter the community of Brewerton, which spans the border between the towns of Cicero and Hastings. Brewerton as a whole is a census-designated place and had a population of 4,549 as of the 2020 census. The community is located near and named for historic Fort Brewerton, built in 1759 to protect the passage from Albany to the port of Oswego. Settlers arrived in 1789 to start trading furs. The Fort Brewerton Blockhouse Museum, which is next to the original fort, has local artifacts that date back to the Paleo-Indian times. We can see the oncoming traffic is still at a crawl in the oncoming lanes here. Now it's our turn to sit in bumper-to-bumper traffic. The video here has been edited to speed things up a bit, but it took us nearly 15 minutes to cover this short distance. Police are in the intersection ahead directing traffic, although there is power here and the signals are working. Here we cross the Oneida River, where it empties into Oneida Lake to our right. The river and lake also carry the modern-day Erie Canal route. The river is the boundary between Onondaga County and Oswego County, and here we also enter the town of Hastings. We conclude today's video at mile 104. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.